Hey everyone, if you're looking to level up your business operations and enhance customer experience, you probably heard about ChatGPT. In today's video, we are going to show you how to implement ChatGPT for your business to boost productivity, customer service, and much more. Let's dive in. First of all, understand the ChatGPT for business. Let's break down what ChatGPT is. It's an advanced language model developed by OpenAI that can handle a wide range of tasks, from answering customer queries to creating content for marketing. By integrating ChatGPT into your business, you can automate processes, save time, and deliver personalized experiences to your customers. Next, automate customer service with ChatGPT. One of the most popular ways businesses use ChatGPT is by implementing it as a customer service chatbot, right? ChatGPT can handle customer inquiries around the clock. It provides quick, accurate answers to frequently asked questions, freeing up your human team to focus on complex issues. And by training ChatGPT on your products or service details, it can offer tailored responses to each customers. ChatGPT can also be a game changer for content creation, right? You can generate a blog post, for example. If you want to generate a blog post example, right? You can ask ChatGPT to write high quality content on topics relevant to your business, right? For example, right? This is just an example. And for social media posts, right? Generate social media posts and generate email marketing, right? And by using ChatGPT, you can significantly speed up your content creation process, and also works with data analysis and reporting, right? Another powerful way to use ChatGPT is for data analysis and reporting. They can help you interpret customer feedback, right? Generate reports and predict trends. With the right data, ChatGPT can analyze patterns and help you forecast trends, guiding your business decisions. So for example, if you want to generate report, right? Generate report about what topic that we talked about? 5 simple habits to start your day off, right? Then right here you're gonna see the report. This is an example, of course, but you can use it in any way, and you can enhance your product or service. ChatGPT can also use to enhance your products or services. For example, product ideas, you can just type brainstorm ideas for new product / service, right? You can also use the customer feedback analysis. Use it to analyze feedback and improve your offerings based on what people need. In that case, you need to use pictures, data analysis, and all that stuff. In my case, I don't have one. And you can use a competitive research. ChatGPT can help you gather insights on competitors in the latest industry, trends. Lots of example. Give me the latest competition research in the field, let's say, of making, or let's say, for example, restaurant, not the restaurant, let's say, for example, insurance industry, right? I'm gonna see also here the ideas for service or products, right? You can also right here to see responses for the latest competition research in the field of insurance industry, right? And AI and digital transformation. You can read that and implement that to your business, right? And you can also, train in customization, right? To get most out of ChatGPT, you will need to train and customize it for your specific business needs. So you're gonna write down your business for your products or service, adjust tone and style, and monitor and update, right? You can tell them like, hey, this is not our style, right? And you're gonna just say what style that is, and ChatGPT will adapt to that new changes, right? So that's how you can implement ChatGPT, right? For your business, whether it's improving customer service, gathering content, analyzing data, or streamlining operations. ChatGPT can help you save time and grow your business. I gave you a bunch of ideas, so brainstorm and study this video if you want to repeat it over and over again just to get the most out of it. Make sure that you do, because this is important. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and business tools. Drop a comment below if you're already using ChatGPT in your business or if you have any questions.